All right, you guys, Jared here at Big Pine Sports. We just got done with about 100 miles out on Skyline Drive. I'm going to talk to you about the number one thing I like about the ultimate side-by-side here, and the thing that I don't like about it. I'm going to start out with what I don't like about the machine. We've got a lot of accessories on here. The main purpose of coming up today was to figure out the cab kit and decide and answer some questions that you guys have had. Catch my other video that we did just a little bit ago. This is kind of a part two, take two, where I really wanted to point out my favorite and least favorite thing about it. So the least favorite thing by far has nothing to do with the cab kit of today's ride. It has everything to do with the tire. Now, I'm not saying it's a bad tire. The grip was fine, traction was fine. We had no issues with that. It's just really noisy when you're going down the hard packed dirt trails. When you hear the tire over any other part of the machine, you know it's a little bit loud. So that's gonna be my least favorite part of the trip today. My favorite thing by far about the machine, focusing on the cab kit, is how quiet it was inside the cab with no rattling. We got on some washboardy stuff and the machine's just jiggling along those washboards. You guys know what that's like. We got in some off-camber situations and down in some water runoff areas and had some pretty good drop-offs from there to there. And as we went in those and across those washboards, inside the cab was so quiet. Granted, it was installed at Big Pine Sports, so are they all going to be that way? I don't know. I'm going to say so. But it was so quiet inside the cab. There was nothing vibrating in there. There was nothing rattling, nothing banging. Really, really surprising for me on that one. So for those of you that are thinking about the full cab kit from Yamaha, 2 thumbs up for sure. Downside to it, you know, if I had to pick something, that slow speed heat inside the cab, when the machine would get 202 degrees or higher, it would get a little warm in there on our legs, and a little bit coming up through the shifter and the brake handle. I'm going to look into that and see if there's something we can do to help with that portion of it. But otherwise, absolutely love the cab kit, love the ride of the X2, love really everything about the machine other than the tires. And as you guys know, that's an easy fix. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Give us a call, 435-427-3338. We're up here in beautiful Fairview, Utah, up on the Skyline Drive. This location that we're at is the North Skyline Drive. It's about 8.5 miles from our shop. Swing by, take a look. We got everything you need for your Yamaha X2. Have a great day, everybody.